how to redirect all your domains in cpanel to a specific domain. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cpanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. Once you log in, you will land on the main cpanel dashboard. Now look for the Domains section. To redirect domain in cpanel, click Redirects under the Domain section. And in this page, you can add domain redirection. In this field, you can choose either a temporary redirect or a permanent redirect type. In this field, select the All Public Domains option. With this selection, all your domains in cpanel will be redirected to a specific domain. In the Redirects To field, enter the domain where you want all the domains in cpanel to be redirected. Finally, click the Add button. And done successfully. All the domains in the cpanel will now be redirected to the designer site domain. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video, leave a comment below, and share it with others. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel